Want to make $1,000 a day using just your phone? Today I'll show you 5 free mobile side hustles anyone can start right now. No money, no experience needed. Forget complicated business plans. I'll break down each method, the exact apps to use, and how to maximize your earnings. Ready to turn your screen time into cash? Let's dive into the top 5 ways you can start earning today. First up, online surveys and market research. Companies pay for your opinions, and apps like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie make it easy. Sign up for multiple platforms to stack your earnings. Think Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, and Pinecone Research. Do surveys during downtime, waiting for the bus, watching TV, or on lunch break. Fill out your profile in detail for higher-paying surveys, and be consistent and honest. Some apps pay for watching videos or playing games too. People are making hundreds a month from their couch. This is the ultimate beginner-friendly side hustle. Next, freelance microtasks. Platforms like Fiverr let you offer simple services, logo design, product descriptions, voiceovers, right from your phone. Create a gig in minutes, start with small tasks, and raise your prices as you get reviews. Specialize in a niche to stand out, like vintage logos or catchy TikTok scripts. Use your phone for a great profile pic and intro video to build trust. You're now a business owner and your office fits in your pocket. Method 3. Sell digital products you create on your phone. Think ebooks, workout plans, digital planners, or even your phone photography. Use platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. No shipping, no inventory, just pure digital sales. Market your products on TikTok or Instagram, driving traffic to your store. Create once, sell forever. Wake up to sales notifications. That's the power of digital products. Method 4. Run social media for businesses. Local shops need help with Instagram and TikTok, and you can manage it all from your phone. Offer to post, reply to comments, and create simple graphics using Canva. Find businesses with weak social media, DM them with free sample posts to show your value. Land one client, do a great job, and get referrals. Manage a few clients for a full-time income in just a few hours a week. Last, affiliate marketing. Get paid to promote products you love using your unique link. Start with Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Sign up, get your links, and share them on social media or a blog. Build a niche page, like tech gadgets or home cooking, and create helpful content with your links. Don't spam, offer real recommendations and value. Even a small audience can earn you commissions. The earning potential is unlimited if you stick with it. There you have it. 5 side hustles you can start today with just your phone. Pick one, give it a real try for 30 days, and watch your earnings grow. Your phone can waste time or make you money. The choice is yours. Let me know in the comments which side hustle you'll start first. Let's get this money.